Alright, today I'm gonna open the new worm crate thingy, Bob. Let's see what we get. Oh, I also got the ice and the worm thing. Let's get something good. Oh! Are we dead? Oh! What? What the frick? I'm just sure I wasn't. Gang! What is this? Deuces.